Okay, when I tell you this is wild, it is unbelievable, okay? So, if you are looking to start earning online, or if you're even earning online, then keep watching this video till the end. And I'm not saying that for clickbait. This has genuinely changed how I am doing things online, and it's made it easier, it's made it more efficient, and it's speeded the whole thing up. Sounds good. Let's dive in. Let's not mess about. So, let me come out of here and let's come over here. So recently I've been away with the kids on holiday and I didn't have my laptop with me and I was doing some research on an evening when the kids went to bed about how I can use AI to help in my online business, how to speed things up, essentially how to make life easier. And I discovered this over here, over on ChatGPT. So let me just move this down a bit. So you see down here where it says agent. I am now using AI agents, and honestly, the results of this have just been wild. So let me take this up here and I'll get this prompt and I'll put this prompt down below for you. So you can see here, I have gone over to ChatGPT and I have in the agent mode, and I'll show you that in a second. And I have said, look, I want you to act as my YouTube researcher, please. I have a channel. This is focused on the history. What? This is focused on history and we document true crime. I would like you to take a look at this channel over here and any related channel and come up with 30 video ideas and titles, mainly focusing on the best performing tasks. So essentially, this little agent now is my own online VA. And you can see the prompt I've given it there. So what it does is it literally opens up a browser, goes away, does all the research for you, and you can see on here it worked for 7 minutes, and this is what it came back with. So it went over to this channel here that I asked it to look at. It went through all of the performing top videos and the shorts, and it looked at other resources and different sources online, and this is what it came back with. It gave me the video title and why it works, and it even links out to different sources over on YouTube. It is insane. Like, if I was to do this manually, this would normally take me well over an hour to do this. So you can see it's given me these topics and it's given me an output, and it's bloody brilliant. It really is. So with this, when you're over in Chat GPT, you see down here where it says, in fact, let's start a new chat. We'll go into a new chat like this. Let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of that one over there. So in here, let's just get rid of all this and we'll do a new chat so you can see how this all works. So down at the bottom where there is a plus sign, down here, we can click on, you see here where it says agent mode and it's new. So you just simply click on agent mode like that, and then it's got all of these different things. So you can have it do spreadsheets. You can also link it as well. So if I come over here and click on this, look. So let me press that again. So on here, you can see it can search the web for you. You can also connect it over to GitHub. You can even connect it to your Gmail, your Google Calendar Drive, and they're adding more options to this. And it's like I said, it's unbelievable. It really is. So you describe a task in here, and it will do that task for you. So what I'm going to do is let's think of one on the spot now. So I'm going to say, I want you, I want you to act as a marketing specialist. I am an affiliate for, let's say Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer. I want you to research the best performing email sequence to convert email subscribers from being on the fence and actually purchasing the product. And I'm doing this really quickly, purchasing the product. I want you to act as a marketing, look, I can't even spell, act as a marketing specialist. I am an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. I want you to research the best performing email sequence to convert email subscribers from being on the fence and actually purchasing the product. The email sequence I would like is to have 5 days of emails I can send. We will focus on potential pain points, and how legendary can help with this. That'll do. So literally, I'm just going to put this in here for now. The email service highlights how it's found emails. So let's just do this. Okay, let's do this as an example. So I'm going to hit on it. And then what happens is it says it's thinking, and then it will open up, look, you can see, setting up my desktop. And it's now it's basically off. So you can see on here, look, it's going ahead and doing all of this research for me. It's going to look at YouTube videos, it's going to look at websites, and basically anything related to this, you can see over here, look, it's now going into all of these different websites on here. It's bloody brilliant, isn't it? And look at it, it's just going to do the work for me. So what I will do is I'll leave this running. I'll pause the video and I'll come back once it's done and I'll show you the output of this. Because as you can see, it's saving a hell of a lot of time and effort, and it's just brilliant. So yeah, we'll be back in a minute once this is concluded and I'll show you the output. Okay, so it's done. As you can see over here, it worked for 3 minutes. And do remember, we give it a very basic prompt. So let's come down here and have a look at the actual email sequence it's given us. So it will always give you some research summary. So you can see on here, look, this is the summary, this is the topic, insights from the research, and it even links out to the additional article. So look, it went over to this one over here, this one over here, this one over here, look, and then legendary marketers value proposition. And again, it goes over to different websites. Scroll further, let's just go past all this, okay? So here is the 5-day email sequence. And it is literally a case of you can just copy and paste this and put it into your email series. Bloody brilliant, isn't it? Day 2, prompt, look, social proof and success stories, email body. Come down here, day 3, day 4, day 5. Absolutely awesome. So that's an example that you can use with affiliate marketing. But if I go back over to this one over here, I'll show you this as well, what I'm doing for YouTube, because this is just even better, even better. So going back over here, I asked it to be my YouTube research and it gave me all of these videos, okay? So what I'm doing with it, and I'll show you a live example of it. So let's come, I can't remember where did I go to? I think I got to number 8. Let's just copy this. So I take this over here, this into syllabi. And if you've not seen this, go through the channel. I've done loads of videos on this, or I'll put a link to it down below. Go ahead and check it out. It's absolutely awesome. So inside of here, you can see I've been working on it. All I do is I click on Faceless video. It's going to create a full video for me. So I go on there and look, there's loads of different options with this. I won't bore you with it. I'll just give you this easy method, okay? So in here, I click on create a faceless video. And now on here, they've got all of these different templates. You can go through them, okay? But for this example over here, I mean, look at that action movie, crime movie. Absolutely awesome. So for this one, I just use hyperrealism, this one over here. But the other ones work incredible as well. Then I scroll down, I pick my language, I pick my subtitles, which go over here. I pick a voice. What do I want in? So what format do I want it? Landscape or portrait? And then the video length. Scroll further down the page over here. You've got 2 options. You can type in your own custom script, or you can just do AI script assistant. So all I'm doing here is I paste that into here like so. Enemies within. So that there, what I've just pasted is this over here from ChatGPT. I then click on generate script. Now, depending on how long you've selected, so we've selected 1 to 3 minutes, it can take anywhere from 30 seconds up to 3 or 4 minutes to create a video. There you go, you can see that there is the video script all done. Now, you can go through and proof it if you want. I'm not going to, I just click on generate video, and then that's the video done, it's getting generated, and then it'll also give me other ideas. But if I come out of here and go into my videos, you can see these are the videos that it's been doing, and they work really well. And I'm using this over on one of my Faceless AI monetized channels. It's absolutely brilliant. But look, the other thing I'll say as well is, so with these prompts over here, you can give it basic prompts like this, or if you are over in Faceless Freedom over here on School, I've just uploaded an incredible resource for you. So in the classroom section, click on there, go down to gifts and resources. I have put in a full document in here under ChatGPT about setting up the agent mode, and then I've also got this resource for you, which again is bloody brilliant, if I say so myself. This one, why's it gone black? There we go. This little agent prompts library and toolkit. Now in here, we've got a lot more specific prompts. So you can see on this one over here, agent prompts act as a lead research and qualification specialist. And literally it is a case of where we've got these hyphens, you just change it to your business or your niche and change and put that in, and then paste this over into the agent, and it will the output using these prompts are insane. It's a lot more in depth. So this is also inside of the Faceless Space community over on School. If you're not a member, you can come over and check it out. We do it ridiculously cheap, and everything in here is based around earning online with Faceless content. So yeah, look, that's today's video. Any questions, let me know. But even if you are not using AI agents, definitely look into it. Whether we like AI or not, it's not going away, and at this moment in time, it can make your life and business incredibly simple. I'll see you soon.